Hi, welcome. I'm Priscilla Batzell. This is Expressionist Fluid Art Studio Gallery's demonstrations and tutorials. Let's have some fun. So this is a 16 by 20 inch canvas, and I have some paint left over that's an odd color. It was Poseidon blue with some interference blue and a dot of dancing fuchsia. And I'm thinking that I want to use it up. Perfect peacock. Red violet. And blue velvet. So I've got interference blue, Groovy Guava. Interference blue is a primary element. Groovy Guava is a purely pigment. And I was being called to something else. I think it's interference gold. I kind of want to join that up there. Might be a bad idea to try. Might be okay though. It's a full-time job wiping off my tools, I gotta tell you what. Pouring is easier, for sure. Now I'm going to use some titanium white. And a big brush. Of course, this is Rhapsody Rose. Some Decor Americana 24 karat gold. Here at the bottom. There we go. That's cool. It's time to pull out the black. Tuscan gold that I kind of like. I'm going for it. Going for the red violet. Burnished copper, which I think is a vivid intense. I don't mind that this paint that's saffron Prizm pour. I'm hearing the call to another color, and that color is African violet. Question is, do I want to do anything else? Now I think I'm going to do something else. And then no matter how weird it is, it's going to stay as it is for the most part. Where's that gold going to go? Need some offhand odd marks just to change up the continuity or destroy it. Thank you for being here. Thank you for the compliments that keep my morale boosted. Thank you for the donations that help keep me painting. Please give me a thumbs up. Thank you for sharing my videos. I really appreciate you guys being here. If you watch longer or watch some of the commercials or make a comment, those things are all super helpful to me. My creative playlists are on my YouTube channel. And if you go to my YouTube channel banner, you'll find the PayPal icon. Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links on my link tree. My community board will show you tomorrow's videos. If you have questions or you want the paint pouring recipe, ask me questions. It will. The paint pouring recipe is below Show More. When you click Show More, you're going to find my email address. Thank you for everything. Shop my Amazon link, please. You can buy anything you want from there. And my 2 books are there, Because I Can and Unlimited Possibilities, Volumes 1 and 2. Thank you again for being here. I love you guys dearly. You inspire the heck out of me. Bye for now. Priscilla out.